G'day trendsetters. A few weeks ago I mentioned in a video that I was going to do a trial of Comfrey Tea versus things like Powerfeed, Pro Series, Seasol, which is a seaweed solution extract, and 5-in-1, which is, so these are kind of two rival companies. It's Seasol and Powerfeed are made by the same company. That's another one. And I've got most of my pots potted up. I've got the 30cm pot here potted up with Strawberry Sweetheart. I've got one to go just to show you what I've done, and the rest I've got 5 of these 250ml pots potted with the broccoli baby. Whoop, look out. And talking about potting mix, this is basically big box store cheapy brand potting mix, so it's got no added nutrients. You've got the black ticks there, so it still meets an Australian standard for potting mixes, but there's no added fertiliser. So I've chosen this one because it's got no added fertiliser, because we're going to be trialling all these other types of fertilisers. I'll have a 5th pot, which is a, what do they call that, a control pot, so no fertiliser in this one. Powerfeed, Seasol, and this one will get the Comfrey Tea. As a comparison, all I need to do is sit back and wait and see which one does what. I will do weekly feeds. They give you on the pack every 1 to 2 weeks, every 1 to 2 weeks. So if it says 2 weeks, I will halve the rate, but I'll add it weekly. Same with the Comfrey Tea. It's supposed to be 100 mils, no, a litre in 10 litres, 1 in 10, and whatever else is on the back of the packet for these guys. 80 mils, 2 caps and 9 litres of water. Apply every 1 to 2 weeks. So follow the directions on the packet. Litre 1 to 10 for the Comfrey Tea, and a standard issue pot. And this is the potting mix, and all I've done, I did press it down a little bit just for the sake of compaction later on. And pop my strawberries in. I have teased the roots a little bit just to stop that circling. That's all. I'll find a nice sunny spot for these. I am having issues with something eating my brassicas at the moment, so I'll have to give some sort of protection to these guys. But having said that, these have been sitting down at ground level and they haven't bothered it, but they've come up here to my raised garden bed and they're eating out of there. So I'm not sure if possums, rats, whatever, they're getting more out of the veggie garden than I am at the moment. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you in regards to how it's all going to work. But that's it. I'll do probably every 4 weeks as an update right through to the end. Strawberries are obviously going to be a longer term thing. I'll get more of the results from the broccoli straight up. I've chosen broccoli because they tend to show up deficiencies in their leaves you'll get a purpley strain, and they'll lose that sort of sheen and vigour in their leaves quite quickly if they're not getting the right or if they're not getting the nutrients that they need. So that's why I've chosen that. And the strawberry is just because I want more strawberries, and they really are, they have a nice dark green gloss about them. They're a very healthy plant, so if one of these guys is better or worse, it's going to show up quite quickly. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Helps my YouTube world go round. And I said, any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers and bye for now. I think I've covered everything.